Are, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to you? Am I audible
Yes,
to you? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today you are going to give the presentation. I know that because of this situation on 11th hour, the timetable it changed. It changed, but we can't help because it is not in our hand anytime. So the same type of presentation, you have to just excuse me. So initial 5 minutes, I will share the same presentation pattern. Now this time, next week, the same day, that is Tuesday, you will have the same time, 11:30, you have the next presentation. That is for wastewater management. This time you are going to give the presentation on the air pollution. According to my knowledge, the two group, they took the permission from me that they are going to present it on Friday. The rest group will present it today. And on one condition, I have given them the permission because there at least 1 mark will be deducted from everyone. Because whatever is there, at least when the task is given, we are expecting that the same day, at least not the next day, you should have done it. So it's a kind request. The Patil madam gave me the permission for these two group with the deduction of 1 mark from each. It's a kind request to you. I am not happy that I have to deduct the marks. Maybe I will convince the Patil ma'am not to deduct the marks. If she agrees, I will not deduct the marks also. But don't take a excuse. We are the engineering students, and for more than 8 months after the 12th examination, you were there at home, and sufficient you have taken the rest. So be active and do it before time. So don't assume that the lecture last time it was on Saturday, so you were not prepared. Don't give this type of answer anytime. This is because after the your completion of engineering, you have to join the job somewhere if your business is not there or something. Then in that case, you cannot say to your boss that sorry, we have not done it. So every time, please be prepared for yourself. Anytime, if anything is asked, you can produce it without hesitation, without objection. So next time you are going to give the presentation on the wastewater management. You are going to give the you are going to give the presentation on wastewater management. The similar kind of slides are there only for revision. I will show it, display it for 2 minutes and explain this. So presentation topic here, second slide is, first slide is your welcome slide with the logo. If by writing all the names, if you will find that there is no place here, you can just shift it to the left hand side here as per the requirement. Then second slide is there. Here instead of air pollution, it will come causes for the water pollution. It may be domestic or industrial water pollution. Choice is given to you. You can have that as a case study. You may show the water which is polluted one and why you are calling it as a polluted water. The in simple test I will tell you for water. If you will add the soap solution to the water, if it gives a good leather, then it is a soft water, and if it gives a curd like precipitate, it is a hard water. So you can show in your presentation the water sample collected from the different sources if possible for you, maybe some lake, etc., etc. But if there is a corona, means there is a corona, but if there is a lockdown, don't move out, because you may be from Amravati, Akola area where the lockdown is declared. So if it is possible, or even you can have your water sample collected from the tap at home, and you can test it whether it's a hard water or soft water, whether the impurities are there, causes for the water sample. Then effect of uh, polluted water. What are the effect here? Effect on our health, on the human being. Then the effect for various industries. At least cover 4 industries. For example, if you will use the water, hard water, for the sugar industry, then the crystallization of sugar is not complete. In that case, you are likely to get the hygroscopic sugar. Do you know what is hygroscopic sugar? Yes. Anyone? Can you explain what is hygroscopic sugar? Anyone? Chalo, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is hygroscopic sugar? जी शुगर पाण्यासारखी असते बारीक काळी कलरची, त्याला म्हणायचं हायग्रोस्कोपिक. ड्राय असेल तर ती क्रिस्टलाइन शुगर. आपण शुगर म्हणजे साखर. जर ड्राय असेल तर ती क्रिस्टलाइन म्हणायचं. जर थोडीशी वेट असेल तर त्याला हायग्रोस्कोपिक म्हणायचं. सो इफ यू विल यूज हार्ड वॉटर फॉर क्रिस्टलायझेशन ऑफ शुगर from molasses, then that result, if the water is polluted one, the hard water, then the quality of sugar will not be well crystalline sugar it will be, but it will be blackish in color, and it will have the little impurities, because of which it becomes hygroscopic. And if the crystallization is not complete, you get powdery sugar. Second example, you may take the example of paper industry. If you will use the polluted water for paper industry, the quality of the resultant paper is not good. You cannot write on such paper with the ink pen, it gets blotted. And then the third effect, the effect of this polluted water on the paper industry is that it is not more durable. And if you write it by ink pen, the other side also you can see that whatever you have written. So the thickness of that paper also is not there. The surface is also not smooth, etc. That you can explain. If iron and manganese ions are there in the water sample, then the quality of the color of the paper won't be white as expected, but it will be yellowish or brownish in color. So that is the effect of water pollution on the industry. At least take for domestic purpose why we cannot use polluted water. So for why we cannot use for drinking in the domestic purpose, there are four cases: for drinking purpose, for cooking purpose, for bathing purpose, and for washing utensil and clothes. That you have to discuss it here. Okay, drinking purpose you cannot use because you will have immediate certain effect on your digestive system. You will suffer from the loose motion, etc., etc. If water is polluted, that if it contains the salts like oxalate, etc., that oxalate, etc., will get accumulated in your kidney or bladder. It gives kidney stone, bladder stone, etc. Then why it is not fit for cooking purpose? Because if the water is pollute or hard, then boiling point is raised. For that, for cooking purpose, you need more heat and more time, which is not desirable. So in this way you have to write here. Only one slide I have shown, but you can use for domestic purpose, for drinking purpose one slide, bathing purpose another slide, then cooking purpose another side, washing utensil for another side, and you can have for four industries four slides. So total slides will be about 20. Then what are the remedial measures? In the theory, you can see the remedial measures. If the water is polluted water, how to remove the pollution, you can take the reference of the Google or the website or the research paper which are there. From that you can collect the information, and that also 2 or 3 slides you try to maintain. Then pictures of the water sample showing that it is a polluted water sample. So don't move out without permission of your parents. And in this situation of COVID, you are not supposed to move out from the home. Stay home and stay safe. That is beneficial. But if accidentally you can collect any polluted water sample in the ditches nearby or on the way of your home or in your society, you can paste the pictures of that polluted water. Or this way, this time it is a different situation, so you may take the pictures from Google or website only this time, because I'm not allowing you to move out for any case. Then the references, you have to write it down, from which journal or from which book you have collected the information, and you have to write down at least 4 to 5 references. And for that you have to refer to the Google how to write the references. Then you have to summarize the your discussion point wise here, of that is wrap up. And from that, if you will take proper precaution, and if you will remove the pollution of the water, what are the effects of that? Then here, if anything you want to add other than whatever is included in the presentation, this slide is free for you. And then thank you. In same slide you are going to write down any question, and then maybe I will ask the question or any group member will ask you the question. 7 minutes for presentation and 2 minutes for question answer session. Every group will have, and the group will be same as per the roll number 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and so on. So this is all about the water pollution. Next time you have to give the presentation for the water pollution. Now we will start for the last times. task given to you, that is air pollution. This is the evaluation sheet here for you. I will read it out. I have written here department E and AS, class FYB Tech, batch. I will write it here H2 for your case here. Batch I will write H2. Then subject EWES semester 1 academic year. This, then serial number 1 2 3 4 5. I will write it. एक minute. Serial number, roll number, and I will give the marks under different headings. So 26, 27, here I will write down the roll number, PRN number, name of the student, then information, how much information you have gathered. For that 5 marks are there. Regularity of in the work, 5 marks are there. Understanding of topic, 5 marks are there. And presentation slides, 5 marks are there. And total marks will be out of 20 for everyone. So here your presentation will start. First group, roll number, first number is what? 26 or 27? What is the first
26.
roll number?
26.
Okay. So 26. What is 5-digit number? Your roll number?
8026.
8026. Okay. Are you able to see? Have I written clearly? Yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is the PRN number of 8026?
22
Uh,
01
01. Yes.
0
0
435.
435. Huh? 220104335. What is the name of the student?
Dimple Sanjay Borkar.
D I.
I
Tham,
M
एक minute. D I.
I
Huh?
M
M.
M
Huh?
P
M P
P A L.
PAL. DIMPAL. Huh. What is your surname? Father's name, short letters.
Sanjay. Yes.
S. Huh. And what is your
Borkar.
huh?
Borkar.
BOR. Huh?
BHO.
BOR. BSO.
ma'am.
Huh?
BHO.
What is Borkar, na? What is your surname?
Borkar.
BHO. Huh? BHO.
RKAR.
RKAR. Okay. Borkar. Okay. Now show me your presentation here. Huh? Share it
Share
with.
करो screen.
Huh?
हाँ.
Share the screen. Huh? चलो.
मॅम ते म्हणते नुसतं होस्ट शेअर करू शकते.
अरे बापरे. Okay, I'll minimize this. I'll make you host otherwise. Huh?
हाँ.
I'll make you host. Let me check. अरे बापरे, I have come. Yes, 1 minute. Where is that option? 1 minute. Participants. Borkar. Dimple. Dimple. More. What I will make? Ask to start video. Make host. नहीं, ask to start video or make host. Chalo. Do you want to change the host? Dimple Borkar. Yes. You will be presenting for the whole group, na? Yes? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, later on you have to change and again you make me the host. Is it?
Hmm.
Okay. Chalo, show the presentation. Share the presentation. Fast. Huh. Chalo.
Ma'am, screen is in.
Show me one at a time. One slide at a time. And everyone should present. Make it little elaborative. Make it extended little. Yes. 26 Dimple is there. Email ID is there. 27. Next one is who? Ayush.
27.
Ma'am, 28. 28.
28. Okay. Then remaining names. Okay, you have made different slides. No problem. Then 29 and 30. Okay, next slide. You start. What have you planned? Accordingly, you do it. Case study as Pune city. Read it out. Chalo.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Causes of air pollution. We taken a case study at the Pune city. First cause is industry. Industries are the major contributor to the air pollution because of discharge of pollutants like nitrous oxide and hydrofluorocarbons in the air, which are dangerous for us. Also, agriculture particles such as livestock rearing and landfills, which causes methane concentration in the air, and the petroleum refining leads to the liberation of hydrocarbons in the air, which causes the air pollution.
Okay.
Second cause is vehicle emissions. Cars, heavy duty trucks, shipping vessels, trains, and airplanes burns lot of fossil fuels to work, which causes air pollution. And transportation itself is a major industry, so it is a cause of air pollution. Then third one is deforestation. Deforestation means large scale removal of trees uh, for the human facilities. The human activities contribute to this are agriculture. In agriculture, to to make farming, the forests were cutting out. In the logging or the logging land areas in which waste is deposited or buried, and urbanization. In the urbanization, the forests were cutting for the buildings and factories to develop. It's done, ma'am. Next is Ayush.
You are only presenting. I want everyone to present. Yeah, you have presented first slide. Now next 28.
मॅम आयुष सुधाकर जाधव मॅम मी प्रेझेंट करू का माझ्या थ्रू
काय रोल नंबर काय तुझा
8028
चला करा
effect of air pollution. There are various effects on human health, also on animals of air pollution. First is respiratory and heart problems. The effect of air pollution are very dangerous. They are known to create several respiratory and heart conditions like asthma, chronic emphasis, heart attack, stroke, along with cancer, among other threats of the body. Several millions are known to have died due to the direct or indirect effect of air pollution. Next slide. Next is effect of air pollution is acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplet combine with these air pollutants and becomes acidic and falls on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage to human, animal, and also on crops. Next. This is a remedial measures to control air pollution. First, use the public mode of transportation. Encourage people to use more and more public
let
modes of
someone else to speak about. You have given the effect na So remedial next, who is next, 29 or 30? Everyone should
29.
get a chance. Huh. Okay, next,
Ma'am,
give him
29.
chance. Yeah.
Uh, remedial measures to control air pollution. Use the public mode of transportation while you via use encourage people to use more and more public modes of transportation to reduce pollution. Also try to make use of carpooling. If you and your colleagues come from the same locality and have the same timing, you can explore this option to save energy and money. Next slide. This is some air pollution pictures. It is from burning of garbage in Mutha River bed, causing air pollution.
Here you write down the label from which place here it is. Huh? Below that picture, write down
Uh,
from which area it is. Huh? And
it
you
is
have to
behind
send it to
Srinagar.
me immediately after the presentation is over on my mail ID. Chalo, next one.
These are some pictures from Pune leading to air pollution. We have taken references from Lokpat newspaper, 10th science textbook, air pollution in Pune NRDC, which is National Research and Development Corporation of Government of India. Many mayor points were taken from the book of Air Pollution and Control by Sharma and Agarwal Gupta, which was published on 13 December 2017. I done now. Next is Sandesh.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good
I am
morning.
Sandesh. I will give you a summary of this presentation. In this presentation, we come to know about air pollution. What are the causes, effect of air pollution? Which efforts should be taken to us to minimize air pollution? What are the subparts of air pollution? That is acid rain, nitrogen oxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide, etc. Now we go to related outcomes. Uh, to define air pollution and its effect, to solve or plan the minimization of air pollution, discuss advantages and disadvantages of air pollution. Now, what is air pollution modeling? It is mathematical theory to understand or predict the way pollutants behave in the atmosphere. Now we're talking about additional information about air pollution. Air pollution in India is serious health issue. In 2019, according to the survey which is given from WHO, out of 30 most polluted cities, 20 were in India. In India, 51% of air pollution caused by industrial pollution, 27 by vehicles, 17 by crop burning, and 15 by fireworks. Most Second slide, please. Most air polluted city in India is Ghaziabad, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Most pure air in Satna, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and one is Kumbori at Maharashtra and in Pune district. In 2019, Pune ranked as a 299th dirtiest city in the world. Uh, we know that we cannot stop air pollution, but we can reduce it. So try to minimize it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now in references, little bit mistake you did. The rest, everything you did it properly. References, you are supposed to write it the manner in which you are supposed to. Please refer to the Google format how to write the references. And as I have told you, the paper, newspaper, website, and the Google, these are the secondary one. The journal papers are considered to be more authenticate and the primary source. So try next time for water pollution, try to refer to the various papers which are there online on this. Even if you will put my name of some author, or you go to the advanced Google search, you can be able to see the various paper and try to include some matter from that and give the reference to that. Everything rest is correct. Now my mail ID already I had posted you. Now the request is again you make me the host. Again you make me the host. Chalo, Dimple, make me the host. Dimple,
Hello, ma'am.
You make me the host now. I have to
पण
give
ते
the
कसं
marks.
करायचं माहित नाही मला.
माझ्या नावापुढे जा आणि मोर मध्ये जा, तिथे मोरला क्लिक केलं की मेक अ होस्ट म्हणायचं की होते.
हम्म. ठीक आहे.
एक मिनिट, आय विल ट्राय फ्रॉम माय एंड इफ इट इज पॉसिबल.
मॅडम केलं.
केलं का होस्ट?
हॅलो.
हा झालं. ओके, थँक्यू. आता नेक्स्ट ग्रुप मी यांना मार्क देते आणि नेक्स्ट ग्रुपला बोलवते मी. Information gathering, everyone will get 5 marks. Everyone has worked well. Yes. Only understanding is also done well. Presentation also you will get. Objective quality works here. The presentation that is for reference work, I will give 3. So total will come is equal to $18. Okay, otherwise. Just 1 minute. Okay, I'll do it later. 8028. Chalo fatapat, tell me what are your names. 8028. What are the four PRA number? Last 3 digit तुम्ही सांगा, बाकी सगळं सेम असेल ना? 2201 will be same ना?
Yes, ma'am.
What is GR number, PRA number?
467.
एक minute. 467. What is your
Name
name?
number. Name Ayush Sudhakar Chakote. Ayush Sudhakar Chakote.
Ayush. How you spell it? A
AYUSH. AYUSH.
AYUSH. Ayush. Surname?
Chakote. CHA.
Chakote. CH.
Chakote. CHA.
CHA.
KOTE.
KOTE. Chakote. Okay.
Last 3 digit of PRN number 467.
Yes, 1 minute. Let me give the marks. Okay, next one, 29 after that, 80. 80. Next one,
8029.
29. Okay.
8029.
Last 3 digit. Fatapat.
PRN number na?
PRN.
0483. 483.
4 8
83.
3.
D.
3
हाँ.
ना? हाँ, सरनेम, नेम, सरनेम. चलो ना.
प्रथमेश
हाँ,
करचे.
what?
PRA प्रथमेश करचे.
प्रथमेश. ओके. PRATHMESH. प्रथमेश
हाँ.
फडके.
M करचे. करचे KARCHE.
KARCHE. हाँ, ओके. Okay, next who was there in the group? 13, na?
हाँ
Next 8030.
30
Huh. What are the last 3 digit? PRN number
499
499.
4999.
499 na?
हाँ
Name
संदेश पवार.
SANDESH Sandesh Pawar.
पवार.
Then here who else was there in your group? Only 4, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next group 8031. Are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Tanmay Remble. I messaged you last night that
Okay.
our
Okay.
group wants time extension, and you gave
Your
us
group is
permission.
from which number to which number? 80312. Huh.
8035.
All are there or
Yes,
someone
yes.
has left? 8031, 8032, 8033. 1 minute. 8033, then 8034, 8034, and last is 8035. Huh?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
8035. Friday, probably 2:30 we will take. You may give me your timetable, then we'll see. Next group 836.
हॅलो मॅम
8036.
हॅलो मॅम
हा बोला.
मी 8035 वरून बोलतोय.
हा
मॅम तुम्ही काल असं सांगितलं नाही की एक मार्क डिडक्ट होईल ते. जर सांगितलं असतं तर आम्ही प्रिपेअर केला असता आजपर्यंत. पण तुम्ही HOD ला बोलून ट्राय करा की मार्क डिडक्ट होऊ नये म्हणून.
नाही
आम्ही
तुम्ही
बी
ट्राय
ट्राय
करते
करतो
पण
बोलायचं.
हे शेवटचं असू द्या तुमचं.
हा
आता याच्या
मॅम
पुढे
पण
कधीच
असं पण आहे
नाही.
आता.
नाही टाइम टेबल मॅडम म्हणल्या बदलतच राहणार कारण सिच्युएशन बाहेरची आपल्या हातात नाहीये. हा त्यामुळे
हा.
त्यांनी सांगितले की काही गोष्टी तुम्ही गृहीत धरू नका. कळलं का? त्यामुळे
हो
तुम्ही
मॅम आणि पण
याच्या
दर
पुढे
आठवड्याला टाइम टेबल चेंज होणार आहे का?
तुम्हालाच नाही सगळ्यांनाच रिक्वेस्ट आहे की जेव्हा आपला सेशन होईल त्या दिवशी किंवा त्याच्या दुसऱ्या दिवशी मॅक्झिमम लेट तुमचं सगळं तयार झालं पाहिजे. तुम्हाला 8 दिवस मिळतीलच याची गॅरंटी नाही. हे चेंजिंग सिच्युएशन आहे. आपण
मॅडम दर हफ्त्याला
हा
दर आठवड्याला टाइम टेबल चेंज होणार आहे का?
नाही सांगता येत नाही. सिच्युएशन चेंज झाली तर टाइम टेबल चेंज होणार. हा
ओके.
आता पुढच्या वेळेला ऑनलाईन ऑफलाईन परत मागच्या आठवड्यासारखं झालं तर कदाचित ते पण होऊ शकेल. बरं ठीक आहे मी मार्क नाही करत. परत 8036 देता का प्रेझेंटेशन?
मॅम मी पण तुम्हाला काल मेसेज केलता म्हणून तुम्ही आम्हाला परमिशन नाही दिली फ्रायडेला हे करायची. आमची
आज तयार
प्रेझेंटेशन
आहे का तुमचं? आज तयार?
अर्धच तयार आहे म्हणून नाहीये पूर्ण तयार.
बर या वेळेला लास्ट सूचना देते. तुमचं 8036 ते किती आहे रोल नंबर?
8040 पर्यंत आहे.
80. पुढच्या वेळेला मी स्ट्रिक्टली 2 मार्क कापीन सांगून ठेवते.
नाही होणार पुढच्या वेळेस पासून मॅम.
आणि अश्युम करायचं की टाइम टेबल आता कोरोना बदलते आपण बदलत नाहीये. हा त्यामुळे काही
हो.
करू नका. आपलं डिस्कशन झालं की आता वॉटर पोल्युशनचं केलेलं आहे ते लगेचच करून टाका. तुम्ही प्लीज करून टाका.
हो मॅम थँक्यू.
8039. हा आणि कोण आहे? 8040 आहे का?
हो 40 पर्यंत.
40 पर्यंत आहे. कोणी मध्ये लेफ्ट नाही ना झालं? कॉलेज सोडलं नाहीये ना कोणी?
नाही मॅम नाही.
41. काय केस? हा
रोल नंबर 40. सॉरी मॅम, आमचे प्रिपेअर व्हायचंय, पूर्ण प्रिपेअर व्हायचंय.
पण तुम्ही
आम्ही
परमिशन
मेसेज
नाही
केला
घेतलेली.
होता.
हा
मेसेज केला होता, परमिशन नाही आली.
नाही मला मेसेज वगैरे कुठलाच नाही आलेला. तुम्ही खोटं बोलू नका. ज्यांच्या आल्या त्यांचा मी लगेच उत्तर दिले. हा
मॅम व्हायचंच आहे, फ्रायडेला आम्ही दाखवू पूर्ण नक्की.
पण हे शेवटचं असेल एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. हा
हो हो
हा
हो
45 पर्यंत का तुमचा नंबर?
हो 45 पर्यंत.
हा कोणी सोडलं नाही ना कॉलेज?
नाही
हा पुढचं
नाही
कोण आहे? 45 नंतर 45 नंतर 46.
Ma'am,
हा
I am 46. Our group took the permission of you.
नाही कुठला ग्रुप आहे? नाही दिलेली मी एवढ्या जणांना परमिशन.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am Ankit Anand, ma'am. My roll number is 48. I have texted you yesterday, ma'am.
नाही मी फक्त मेसेज नाहीये तसं काही. हा हे शेवटची संधी आहे तुम्हाला हे
Yes, ma'am. I have
करायची.
texted me.
हा आता मी उरलेला वेळ देणार नाही. तुम्ही वॉटर पोल्युशनचं किंवा एअर पोल्युशनचं कम्प्लीट करा आणि एकाने तरी ज्यांचं अर्ध झालंय असं म्हणतात त्यांनी दाखवायचा प्रयत्न करा. मी आता मला म्यूट करते.
Ma'am,
हा
मराठी ma'am नहीं पता
हा
ma'am. English
ओके.
बोलो.
लास्ट नंबर इज 850. व्हॉट इज द लास्ट नंबर इन दिस ग्रुप?
Ma'am,
8050.
850. Yes, ma'am. 50. Yes, ma'am.
8048 8049.
Ma'am, 8046 to 8050. And this is the group.
8049. I am writing 80450 na last number in this group.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I will not end up the meeting today. The group which said that we have prepared partially, try to complete it immediately in this turn only. Then I will see the presentation. Raise your hand. The one who has not taken permission and said just now ki we have completed half of it, give the presentation. I am waiting for you. Chalo, time starts now. At least one group give the presentation because next almost only one group has given out of 5. Chalo, start preparing it.
Ma'am,
I
have a few questions related to the project making.
What?
I have a few questions actually. Can I ask right now?
Yeah, ask.
Yeah, like during the presentation, do we have to say in the same language or other 5 can use any other language?
No, for presentation, you can give the presentation in Marathi, Hindi, etc. But presentation slide must be in English.
Oh yeah, but like when I'm presenting, so like my group consists of 5 people. So is it okay if 2 of them present in like Hindi and the other 3 were in Marathi?
Yeah,
Is
that
that
combination possible. It is possible.
Okay. And ma'am, yeah.
For language, no, I will not deduct any mark. Only presentation should be proper. And I'm expecting that you should ask the question to other groups.
Yeah,
Everyone should ask the question to other groups. For first group, no one asked, but from next time, for every session, I want the question from student itself for every group, at least one question. From that point of view, you have to prepare because it is there in your syllabus. Okay, take your time. It is 12:10 and our class is up to 12:30. So another 10 minutes I'll give, finish it fast. Till 20 I'll be back and we'll start the presentation.
Ma'am, I have another question.
Ah.
For like references, we have to use books, and if we are using a website, can we put a journalist name?
Yeah, journal's name, then not journal's name, the name of the paper from which you have taken, who has written that paper, and what are the page number of that paper. Suppose journal is what? It is a book, like a textbook. So in that my paper is suppose from 594 to 600 page number. So name of my paper in that journal, my name as a author and other authors along with that, and then page number 594 to 90, and when it was published, suppose it is December 2018, so write down to December 2018, like that you have to write it. I
Okay,
don't
but like
want
for example,
I don't want the website or the Google as the reference. Otherwise, you are going to get less marks for that. If you refer to the Google how to write the references properly, you just check the manner in which the references can be written and follow that practices for every presentation. I don't want you to miss any mark for any reason.
yes, ma'am. But ma'am, if for example, if a person, like a journalist, like a person wrote that article, so if I can just give the reference of the person's name, is that okay? Or do we need a book?
No, not book. The name of the paper, from whose paper you have taken that matter. The name of the paper, name of the author, page
Okay.
number, and then which year it was published, like that. Serially, it should be
Okay.
the sequence.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So 12,
मॅम
bolo.
मॅम 8028 मॅम ते प्रेझेंटेशन सगळ्यांनी पाठवायचं का एकाच जणांनी तुम्हाला पाठवायचं?
एकानेच पाठवायचं आणि रोल नंबर सगळ्याचे त्याच्यात आहेच आहे, पहिल्या स्लाइड किंवा दुसऱ्या स्लाइड मध्ये तुमचे आहेच आहेत. Just mention while writing sending the mail, just write down H2 batch, write it down everyone, H2 batch, group number 1, roll number 8026 to 8030, like that. Second group will write H2 batch, group number 2, 8031 to 8035. Whatever number are there, and group number and batch number, that you have to write it. Ma'am, please find attached herewith and send your presentation as the attachment. And subject will be EWES presentation 1 on air pollution. EWES subject presentation on air pollution. Subject for writing the mail will be EWES presentation 1 air pollution, and then write down below that, ma'am, please find our presentation for group 1 H2 batch, roll number 8028 to 8030, and then attach the attach the attachment and send it to me.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Hello. Is there likely anyone to give the presentation now? Try it. Anyone, any query? Is there anyone giving the presentation or not? Hello? Am I audible? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there anyone trying today? The one who said that halfway it is completed or partially it is completed. Are you giving today?
No, ma'am, we will give it in Friday.
But after that, no excuse, not for a single turn.
Ha, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, I will not ask the Patil madam. I will deduct on my own, and then I will inform Patil ma'am that for this reason I have deducted 5 marks from everyone. See, I want everyone to be very honest. Do it in time. Finish air pollution as well as water pollution today itself, so that Friday maybe after these 4 groups are done, we will take for 1 or 2 group the air pollution, water pollution also. So I will end up the meeting. Next time I don't want to listen to you this type of, do it fast.